Hello guys, welcome to another video of our HTML web development series. So as you can see, I've already opened our project right now. So today in this video, we are going to be adding some styling to our code. Plus we are also going to be adding images. So let's just make it look good by adding an horizontal ruler and getting an image. So for an image, you basically type image and then you type source. Now you need to upload an image. So you can just go here and click on upload file, and I have this PNG. It looks like a S, so I'm going to just say open it. Wait, I'll just fix it. Mm, this should fix it. Yep. So if I go here and refresh, now you can see we have we have this image right here. Now the next thing we want is try to make it smaller. So to scale an image, we need to just enter some parameters like width. Okay, so width, let me just enter it like, let's say, 250 pixels, and height also let's put it on 250 pixels and refresh it. So as you can see, we have scaled it down. Let me check if this works. No, it doesn't, I guess. Yeah. So as you can see, now we have that. Now the other part I was talking about, it was about formatting the text. So for that, so we have an cascade file. I mean, I don't know what it is, but this style.css will give all of the styling to our text. So right now, what we will try to do is, let's try saying something like, let's give an styling to this h1, and what type of style we should give. Let's start with the basics of color. I will like blue. So let's open it, and you can see we have turned it to blue. Now let's say I don't like blue, so just click on this box and we can make a color out of it. You can see it's like, I like this. Let me just reload it here. We can see this gives us a good cyan color. Now you could also try font family. Font family just gives it a font. I will try Rockwell. It's it's a font which I like. It is PGMCFP. Let's try sans serif. Okay, so as you can see, we have sans serif here. So, so let me try something else. This agency FB, please load. Why is it not loading? I'll just come in a second when it's fixed. So yeah, guys, I found this list of some supported fonts. So let's try them. I want to try copper plate once. Let's see how does copper plate mean. Like look for for us. I'm confused. Why is it working? It doesn't work. Oh, it's like that. It's actually like you have to tell the computer which type of font it goes in. For now, let's try using this one. Oh, okay, yeah, so I can do that. I this and try doing and try, and you can see now we can actually do it. So, like let's say now if I want to use copper plate, I'll I'll type in which category it comes. It comes in fantasy. So now that we know it's in fantasy, we can just type out copper plate. And yeah, yeah. So another good thing another thing we can try is like see the spacing between these letters aren't really some. We want more spacing, so let's try text align. So another now let's go with text align. It is basically aligning the text. So let's try center. So center basically centers the text. So it's an appropriate heading and let's try text. Yep. So yeah, you have to type letters spacing and you have to type how much space you want to give between the letters. Let's say I want it to be 10 pixels, right? It is way too much. Let's try 1.5 pixels. I guess that works. Yep, that looks good. Now let's say I want to make the space more between the words. So for that, we use word spacing. So let's try that also. 1.5 pixels. I mean. Yep, you can see now the space between words is also more. So now we have done that, and text is not much readable for me. This is papyrus. You can see now it is more readable. Now the next thing we're trying to do is assign them a class. So what I mean by a class is like we assign it some properties, and then those properties will not those properties will not be given to all of the components, but it will only be given to the components which have those class. So classes are like that. Ba- and we have two things like classes and divs. I mean classes and IDs. But before that, let's try another thing before I start with that. Also, we are going to be exploring in iframes. I Okay, we have the iframe. Oh, so first things first, let's try importing a YouTube video. Let me video. Let's say I have this pretty cool song. Now what I want to do is I want to embed it in my chat. I mean in my website. So I'll go and share and I'll go and embed and I have all of this code. So let's just copy it all and boom. Let's paste it up. And you can see now we can play the video and we can also hear it. Now let's say I want to change it to something else. So we'll go in the source. We can see it and we can change the source to something else. So like let's say I want to open something like replit.com. Replit.com. And there's also some things like some things will not work. But you can see we can see the replit thing. Like not everything in there, but yeah, can't get everything. Let's just search like let's say chess.com. That is also an website. Let's see if that works. Okay, I guess it's saying it is not able to find it. Why is it not able? Let me let's try some website that is not too popular for the sake of this time. Yeah, I kind of like this website. I have been using it for a while. So now you can see we have loaded an website here and we can scroll in it and we can use it. I mean some things don't work in here. But still we are able to use the iframe. So that's a good sign of that iframes are working. So as I said, so now let's start with IDs and classes. Yep. So now that we know what we now let's start by creating a class. I mean ID. We need to go in our CSS file and then let's say we want it to be like something like let's add it for paragraph. Okay. Paragraph dot extra bold. Yeah, I guess bold works good. Because I do want it to be more bold. And after getting extra bold, we want to go in font style and adding bold. Now let's try it. Hey, now you might say, hey, why is it not working? Have you made any silly mistake again? No, we haven't just assigned it to the paragraph. So let's go here. Okay, yeah. So let's go here. Scroll up. Here we have the paragraph. So inside the starting tag, we want to go here and write class. Then in equal, we'll just type p dot extra. I guess the dot was supposed to be there. Oh, We didn't need to type P here. It was supposed to be extra bold. So now if it is used somewhere, it will automatically make it extra bold. Work. I guess there's some. I guess it is. Let's try italic and see if it works. Yeah, it got italic. Now let's try something like, let's say size. No, let's try color. Okay, to just see if it is all working. Right. Wallet, and you can see now it's looking good, and we have formatted it. Now, so guys, I think this is the end of the video. I'll see you in the next episode. Till then, bye guys.